Why do you didn't open this yet?
Don't do it, it smells!
Hey!
Don't do it, it smells!
We're just gonna pretend that we're doing something? It's not even close to you! Close your nostrils!
That's all I'm going to go.
Ready? Ready?
Oh. Okay.
That smells
Did you just like take a shit?
It smells like we're sitting in dog shit right now.
Okay. I'm prepared.
You sure?
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to redo this 3 times like always.
No.
Hey guys, I'm Sabrina.
And I'm Larissa.
We are going to have to do it 3 times. You're supposed to explain. You're supposed to say what we're doing. Hey guys, I'm Sabrina.
And I'm Larissa. And today we're going to do the Boozled challenge. I don't say that.
So basically, if you don't know what it is, there's pairs of different jelly beans. One's good and one's bad. Oh my god.
I don't think so.
Okay, which one do you want to start with?
That smells gross. Okay. Let's go with white.
Okay, so it's either we have baby wipes or coconut. 1, 2, 3.
What are the 2 choices?
I think I have baby wipes. Baby wipes or coconut? It tastes like sugary baby wipes. I don't know. Because it sort of tastes like soap, but sugar.
No, I got baby. That wasn't. I think I got coconut. Why don't do blue. Put that down. Because blue is good.
Hey! Let's do green then. Long clippings or lime?
Great. Okay. Which one's the green
These
one?
ones.
These ones?
Oh no, don't pick that one up. Sounds like poison. This one.
But that just, what? Then what is this one?
That's boogers. You don't want that yet. Jump into conclusions.
So where's the rest of the
This
boogers?
one!
Are you blind?
1, 2, 3. I'm scared. I have lime.
I don't think this is lime. It tastes like dirt.
Oh my god, I'm scared for the other ones.
You're tutti frutti.
Oh my god, but stinky socks is like terrible.
We'll be
Do
okay.
you know what this smells like? It smells like stinky socks.
Oh, okay. I'm eating it.
There's a lot. Hey! Get away from me. I'm so scared because this is fucking... scared.
What is tutti frutti supposed to taste like?
Fruit? I don't know.
I don't know.
If it was socks, you would know it right away.
If it's tutti frutti, I don't like it. Do chocolate pudding, canned dog food.
Oh! So appetizing. It's not
Messy?
chocolate pudding, might as well be animals.
I'm too thick. Give me That was disgusting!
I still taste it. Let's hurry up. Okay, let's do blue
That's
now.
gross. No!
But blue's good!
No, what did you do at the ending?
Let's split the pear one then.
It's pear?
It's
or booger?
pear or booger.
Where's
this one.
the other booger?
We only have one. Just go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. That's pear. It doesn't taste good, but...
I don't like pears. Peaches and vomit.
Oh my god, you just made me almost want to vomit. You can make me vomit.
Yes.
Stop putting them in your mouth.
Okay, I'm sorry!
1. Oh my
Just
god.
to take into account that it looks really pretty.
1, 2, 3. I don't want to chew it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. What are you doing right now?
I'm trying to
Do your
figure it
taste
out.
buds not work?
I think it was vomit.
How are you still chewing it? Let's do rotten egg and buttered popcorn. And I
Okay.
hate both. Knowing me, I'm just gonna get eggs.
You're looking, she's already be prepared with the garbage can.
I'm prepared. I got nothing right.
Okay, ready?
No. 1, 2, 3.
I'm checking my heart.
Oh man, lost it.
Okay, no, that was not happening. Oh.
No.
I don't know if there's buttered popcorn and it just tastes really nasty or...
Let's do lime and lime cooking.
Okay.
Go. Hey, yeah.
Just dirt. Oh, no.
I don't know what I have. I only got lime clippings. Because lime tastes like lime.
What does lime taste like?
Like lemons.
What does lemons taste like?
Like sour.
Then I think I got lime clippings.
Canned dog food and chocolate pudding.
Okay, ready?
1, 2, 3. Nope. What are you eating?
I don't know.
How do you not know? I taste it right away. Rotten egg and buttered popcorn. There's only one.
You're trying to kill me with this. Don't give me that!
You just ate dog food. I'm so scared. They all taste. I always get the bad one.
What's the other flavor? You don't get rotten egg?
Popcorn.
I don't even got popcorn.
Oh yeah, yeah.
But it kind of tastes like baby wipes smell.
I'm so scared.
I think I might accidentally.
can't
I
do
think
it.
I accidentally ate baby wipes.
What do you
But some people really don't like baby wipes. Yeah. Your childhood, man, it kills you. Tutti
Yeah, but-
frutti.
Oh my god.
Tutti frutti. I don't know.
You're broken. Oh my god.
Wow.
I don't even want to do this.
Dude, smell it. Go ahead.
It's stinky sauce.
You have to eat one. Wait, which one do you have? Here, make sure you don't. Okay, make sure you're not cheating.
Oh, you're the one who cheated at the little baby wipes.
It was an accident.
Oh my god.
We're all waiting, Sabrina. You got it.
It's a good one.
Oh my god. Like the ant. Okay, vomit.
I threw out the. It tastes like toothpaste.
Vomit.
Like the little
I
kid
think I've been
bubble
getting
gum
sticking
toothpaste.
socks because that's not what mine tasted like.
How do you chew everything like that? It tastes like vomit. I almost.
That is vomit. That's vomit. That's definitely vomit. I want to vomit now.
I didn't do this one yet.
You what?
I was still chewing.
Oh my god, what are we waiting for?
I don't know. You're the one who doesn't taste anything.
Vomit.
This is vomit.
It's not vomit.
It is vomit. I smell it. You want to smell it? Smell like vomit?
Smells like all of them do.
Huh?
Smells like they all do.
It's
Mine
vomit. It's vomit. If you want to smell it, smell it.
I already
Smell it. Use your nostrils because it don't work. Use it.
You're so...
Does that smell like peach chew? No.
What does this one smell like?
It smells like this garbage.
Wrong one. That smells the same as that. Here, eat this one then. Why you can't put it in there?
It's garbage.
Oh my god!
It belongs in the garbage.
Make it come back now. There's no more to eat with the...
Good, I don't like this one.
No.
You're not going in the garbage to get it.
I won't eat it.
Oh yeah, why are you keeping it so far away? I'll just spit it on the ground.
Okay, I'll give it to you after. Eat it. It needs to find its way into your mouth.
I think there's only like 5% good ones in this.
It's gotta be peach because if that was vomit, that's peach.
Nope, it's not peach.
Wow. Okay. Toothpaste.
Might as well just start eating all of these because, you know.
Pudding?
I don't know.
Do you hear that? Yeah.
It's toothpaste.
That's really good.
What is that?
Oh, this thing smells gross.
That's what I ate. Ate.
Yeah, 8. Okay, outro.
It's a coconut.
It's a coconut. It's a coconut.
Oh my god, this smells so... Thanks for watching this video.
Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed.
And subscribe for more.
Oh,
Gotta get healthy.
I forgot I must leave.